Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Docs Voice to Text. To begin, open any Google Docs document on your desktop computer. Navigate to the Tools menu, located at the top of your screen, then carefully select Voice Typing from the drop-down options. A small gray microphone icon will then appear on the left side of your document, signaling it is nearly ready for your spoken words. This is the first step towards hands-free document creation. Once the microphone icon appears, simply click on it to begin the dictation process. The icon will change color, typically to red, indicating that it is actively listening for your voice. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace directly into your microphone. Remember to confirm your microphone is working correctly, as a good connection is vital for accurate transcription. To effectively format your document, use specific voice commands for punctuation and spacing. Say period at the end of a sentence, or comma to add a pause. For new sections, dictate new paragraph or new line to organize your thoughts. If you make a small error, simply say delete that to remove the last phrase you spoke. Once your mobile operations center is perfectly aligned, enter it on foot. As soon as you are inside, exit the MOC again on foot. Now, slowly walk towards the Tengkar garage entrance. A prompt to enter the garage will appear. Select the option to enter on foot. This sequence often triggers the duplication glitch successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.